Well, Asaba Damuina was a brass to say a toy and common swan say Dominic Edua, and so the team. Fortunately for him, it's a surprise, but it's his birthday. Happy birthday, and command one of the aspirants for the National Youth Organizer position within the MPP Amanyo Konu. Dominic Edua and artist also the team for the any baby or person the Mebrunu could do. Abetuja Ewa Asoko, so ended up with that wonderful birthday surprise. I hope in any team no. And so a day abreno ma me fasa kwanya we so wish my in-law Dorothy Boaite Masi a happy 64 years celebration your midwife na me enka ho God's protection and guidance Mrs. Dorothy Boaite midwife 64 years Masi happy birthday enko enfa emao. On the sad side of life, Eric Osei, do not for Chuku and Arasta, Papa, Mr. Osei, Eradiato suffered 83 years, and then 1 week, former MD Enterprise Insurance. So, Ebushafo Yako, Eric Osei Rasta, shedding in times like this, and yet easy for you. And very good morning to Ama Grant, or Worcester, Onegai G, New Jersey. And a mammy say once more Lakeside, Ashale Botri. Oh, I akwaba at the same.
Oh, Yamia,
you come on. Good. Chief Bani, you want to say? Any latest on the Kunfi?
Oh, I'm on for shout out. I'm there. My foul, two passer foul.
I think I'm buying so bored about you because you have really been on the
yeah, what started our year.
Okay, so now you've seen it.
Yeah, I've been there.
Okay.
Me know for you about to go.
Okay.
Until my brain now, Waban. So we are talking about it not because
you want to talk about it.
Yeah, no.
Okay.
But Messi my opinion, I can the citizens. Now on our just about to go. Our timelines down. Or the original nado. Na yehwe kwan ba fada ye ba ye nkaka sentinyi de se project a ndc ye ho nyina o mampanyin ba yi so na wa ho ho a wo ye mo adwuma so wo benefit into the same way na won so be ja ho akoma ndc aba na ma wotum wo ye Ghana fo oba ye mfa so da man ti continuously consistently ye ba kodo na ya ye nkaka for coping time lam factory no wo ba wi.
I see. Deputy Chief of Staff, I wish you well, none of that omoko na starting it on ne car.
Yeah, me ready. Oh yeah, sense so. Yeah, me ready there. When you question, she said, "We do my the or car na dey be heading now." Na say MPP, say PPP, obi ntina baby a. Ono susu na yanko de okwa amonko ankodu. Nti ye beda yanko pon ase de oyi ne fi dem asemi na. Yankupon so ya srede nkafa ya aka he nyina na nkwem no mbo yen so ye ho ba.
Okay.
Na dem asem what dey mama bi nto bia.
Okay, Kuku Spencer, NASPA Radio, also Oshebi. Thank you so much, also Aji Brown, Oshebi. And then, it happens to be a viewer's happy birthday, Odile in Frafra Bags. Sa Bags, no, they are Fatty Melody. So, Bolgatanga. Fatty Melody, Bolga Baskets. I know your friend, Bolga Basket. Hey, you think you too? Bolga Baskets. Okay, so Fatty Melody, happy birthday and come over Bolga Upper East. Was that the associate thereby? Okay, so that's it. Any latest on Galamsey?
I don't have any news yet.
But BBI okay.
BBI okay.
Right.
For now,
do you acquire no matter say?
Well, Yamiadum, I'm saying. Egusonia Kakra.
MPP Abambo Nikoyi.
Oh, a coye pa, I said, Chief Bani has started the one dance. A
Kunfi project.
I was started the one dance.
One district, one factory.
So I'm saying, Nana, one of the topics, Nanaka said by 2020.
So does it mean that by 2020, as Nana is saying, you know?
Oh, yes.
The first term of office, no? There is no message for the.
1 year, Chief Bani himself has started the one dance now. You second year, crash.
you're a cat out of the
Of course, because there were 1 year put a working car with you. And then first time.
Misinformation. A bit said then the Marcoy, not speaking to my dance. And I tell the meeting that dance to the Marcoy. But once that dance today, oh, there be the factory now, walk out of the way and over the wash as you were.
Exactly. It's the point I'm making. Say, Nanaka said by 2020, opposition for Niabian can't come because the cast ye being by that time. No, Dicka. So, Mamma Smith did what dance, say, and your ma as far as MPP and Mamu is concerned. None can, because the Yasha plan, and the young say, plan also step by step. We are teaching one who on to formula Nasi year, why oh, who the AM. But a chain of Cobase, Empo, the own guitar formula now, Crawford was starting a dear dances, because we knew Momo Council Mobayan, or Moyen Kakra. Let's say,
okay, so it fits into
but except say, Galamsey issues, said, okay, and now once again, I'm appealing to those in charge, they say, almost speed up the processes.
Okay.
Because I'm saying,
a Freeman's Commissioner for Environment is now called Parliament, now, Omugusu fine tune.
Yes, yes, that's the issue. That's the only issue. Timing, no, and also with me speed up.
Okay, so it fits into Nana's assurance or the Amount for starting the tour. And up as a Kakavi. But when you have yourself an overcopy paper by 2020,
Dam 2020 year message in Canada, Nana fail.
We
fail. Same there. 1 year trim, and another in them all the share. 1 year, or no danger. It is set to 1 if you form more back at 3. By then at 2020, it took my cover last year 1 million one constituency now 1 con. Or when I cover. But you then one cover one village one dam now a Warshire and Crawford trend will be winning in our own way. It's easy. Nana said be Ohona Minida him for Abana Yimpaka Crabana with campaign mood denied. Will run. But if you are looking at it from realistically there, or Mampain and I do back there by 2020 no boy shame now wire. Or my share Obi asun Abuata another your friend Abuata can that Oguan. It is not possible there. Nana do Danko Akufado in the Bibia wash 1 year ago. Na ndema okada obey a constituency na development na kechi. In this case, it 1 year can no 2015. And sana them microphone them jumadin order ko one oboko because a budget chiro year which is not possible. As my can say a year for this year a day na ese beye edama ho. This year no nya into the second year no be budget e biana.
But don't even go on that tangent.
It doesn't make sense to me.
If you read even carefully, some of the things I can bring out for. He talks about something that Ghana for doing in September this year, the free SHS policy will cover new entrants in addition to those who will then be in SHS 2. By September 2019, it will cover all students. All students.
I know I'm a Kasa, the way I'm a Kasa. Sabi Nanado Danko Akufado. On yet politically, that Miss Maya, my year. In Samuel Kumupa, Miss Maya, we intend some on your master. But you know who they say be a jar of the Magana man. In the Pentecost, I saw for a presby, I saw for before I call it the Yansha Quine, but no challenges are all a free from 1 year or Codonum say, Yanshanian to Miss Mobaya, the Madina Obabaden, Obama Sebi, Ghana, my yedim. Education Ministry for Nangasawaka. No, a new policy will enroll into definitely will bring new challenges. But if we are not looking at that, kwa yeba fado yeba ma wedimu. Na mo wonam da meka da me campaign platform meka da mayenti. Say next year challenges or kodu nyina me bu manyi godo. Na say form 2 funu so enroll na me start da me bo ho ka maaye. Into free SHS assembly anyu. We cannot entum tsank room da. Okra na otwa me so say ntin de o manpayin na do nyim. The challenges are horo. No, look, I'm sure the minister will brief.
Among the challenges is the restoration of the nurses' allowance. Teacher
nurses' allowance in the crowd. Your friend, remember 4 months or so, I ain't itching. Growth will be a nyari. On 9 says, can work here now what about? Oh no, and then Nana about me company by my work at the world rule nurses. What do we go me? And who there, friend, a nurse who be what to it, or Sunday. A Pama buying you wash in there. ikoye wia abamba for adwuma na waye de na waye ti won so won issue nyi de na se adwuma bia mbai adwuma mo he na se bi watoto a ye hu de okay nti yere kwa he da man nyipa dudu ye nyi ho bekwa ko ready this are them Obama Ghana for nya rishi no onye de
Kuduro kasa say after 8 years when obi 1 year 6 months or 5 months no o person ma exit plan for nipa bi no mo sorry say yakosuku ponsi nya adwuma nya
bisa question pa
yeah
8 years na ye ba nya rappers and another rapping within 2 years or the power yanka bi na nado ne boshe na nsema okan ma motia fif abem wo ba fi baka ho woto aba mo wini onye boshe ba wo hwe era no ye ko ayi wire ye ba me gina kro bi wo friend carpenter me bisa nkrofo na about one village one dam kofo no wo kira ye to abawi ya na wo ye market area bi to ho de wo twen dam ne sankan era no ye ko borgas me gina ayi vice president ni kro mi wale na hu me gina ho so me yin pe fu din komo won so wo twen one village one dam ene na say yara me ko 15 man to onam there president kati sword no wo a 15 man to or launching project in one district one factory no kati sword we confinti 15 man to nyipa do na no worry shemu there factories about 20 district are all how you train na na say what abaka ho no 20 district all ho no ba ho ma sabi won so wenya adwumadini bi na wa akodo na waye wo hu da madi ekunfi da o mampanyi kasa ho okada by the end of 2017 51 of the factories no be there obashase as we speak as a journalist say at there wasan cut sword or other areas ema project no record ma ehua oche the 51 of the factories na president Ken ne 1 year and 5 months down the lane yi say oyada wako okodu there them 51 super why ma waka do you know we have 216 districts minus my president na creative
all right so
are you aware
yeah
how are you telling me that say 25th August eno mampanyi cut sword for Ekunfi na so mampanyi did them agbosumi nyina or the very grading now I started with the container or fence hona wa yedwuma how are you going to convince me that by 2016 by 2020 no na 216 factories minus 38 na narawa ba be create account onu po yifima
okay
how is he going to give that factories per the way what for do what the adwuma okay na wako if president kitchen unless they were pede wo here and they will be wo na or the machine be about the ice cream woni fie ono so obaka da was small factory said damn factory na wo pede wo here that only then he can tell us that by 2020 na 216 nyina wako until you are political na or president all right but once and crofo twa no hia na adena ye ne adena na ya started into odo hye ahemfu nkram wo hu de moti bia or ya da
the essence of the tour is that ade ode ahye no ho uti ne kasa anti no
from the office
on the office
menyo ya adwen from onyende na damadi shasi but menyo ya adwen no so boy bi from the office o tuka na akọ no nyim do ro ko official to o hye ahemfu no hu do mo kasa na obe ne political. And I mean, you right to them, Makana.
You have.
That is what is happening. Now, if not, I will less ubuti na reda sama wake.
Okay, so I am quite emphatic. Say President Beka said, "Me see me we my first term of office, you know. Not just who are ultimately the obeke be anywhere ebeko be because the maye no Ghana for be dia dance here. Dia na His Excellency na isi su I see ni friend isi o to boabo and say o kan ya no to. There's a wo nyina so bi. Yeah, President Nwa otimi ka kokuduro so kasa asemi.
Ade akrama hu a opono. Ejinama hu a
bontinko
obunanichi. The achibanity ha na no wo Kenya as a president as he sits up there.
He's on top.
He's on top of the issues into who programs ni nyina and who measures are or were put in place and monitoring and evaluation for no. And so man of feedback into who said things are on course. Most of the programs or the egu na they are on course. It is a wono oti ase ha na wu hu bi na nti no ye dey wo ye dede a ono as a jinamwa no ohu a ye dey obu anichi. It's as simple as that. So here minu ye started enfi ono ane backyard bio Ekunfi issue yi they were expecting say nka president be cut it short within a day or two na nka factory na ba besi ho. We told them said no. Ye were a formula they resolve issues no. Omu ye hu de this ya nye perturbed. Ye call by ye nia ye formula no. Actually so say was started backtrack. Was started onwa edi ho dance here. Sa de ne koso. Don't forget say your 4-year mandate. At the end of the 4 years no. And na nyoma e case ye be ye be kwa kubu hu kontari a kire Ghana for. Free secondary school issue are okay. Omo time no say ye ntumi nye ye ba ya mpampa you two one among. Oh, and na problem way and na way. Yes, they are normal. So I started such a major policy a year.
No ba community
be ye. But to see teething problems. So through say we share teething problems. Or any new venture be there, then you can't start any new thing. But as and when they come, now who address it? Who address it? Now we experience it. Now we how I foresaw similar things occurring the first year. You started at the end, you who problems kakra wumu. Minu kese kokohe, nyese kokohe kran. Ministry of Education, kokohe normal structures are almost across the country. Kokohe. Nyese adverto. Grounds na kokohe structures are almost so at least it tells you some of the problems I'm identifying. They are being addressed.
But one of the fears Nipe Biniwone said the MPP seems to be talking too much. Internet has a came promise.
Oh no, they are not afraid of talking. They would they are no account. Grants
no, I'm saying
next week Monday your birthday then
I'm just supplying.
Oh my goodness. The problem is that Nana seems to have so much confidence and as a Opposite Ghana move at a pace.
Yes.
It's one of the reasons in here. Okay, Kanyoma, Akesia, I also say you know. Matter the OC Canada, Ama Nipe Biniwone.
Baby, Mudia Hino can Emma. Hey. Share, Opposite Tumpoma, you should be able to dream and think big. So, for them, some mediocrity.
Your morning
that is why we are where we are today. Where on the average, you know, we share Ghana on the street, with a man 10 Ghana and as 20 Ghana. Or Becca saying Yamishra. One who be bunku to get noadawas saying Yamishra, say 1 man 20 Ghana. She are another average person. Like I said, so Jack Beje 500,000 Ghana cedis. One first statement be finance say Ubedi me wa grow. Onyi because if he say he doesn't deserve 500,000 Ghana cedis already there or the year. So man that same person 50 Ghana there or beba or better inside.
So we are settled for mediocrity.
Yes. Unfortunately that is where Omode Omayaba do. It is when somebody comes and say no. Looking at what we have now, you bet me go beyond this mediocrity. Yeah. Yet think big, you dream big. We have the men, we have the resources to react. Now you too sana mona. Obi say promises akese. Enti na me bisa say mood dey here so na you start here to me here. Look, I say na me can free secondary school there aba be say you start nursing training allowance ya restore aba teacher training allowance ya restore aba this friend say one village one dam. Osi odu baby obisa ya almost say ya year mark piece of land before it. Ya year mark piece of land before it. However, you must start me na me catch you by maybe the end of the year and I said by next year no obeba no sign are retracted the same way ekumfi de no. Oh please. The same way ekumfi de and
acknowledge say
would be dance here say bibi koso within your 4-year mandate now.
And so you wouldn't
within your 4-year mandate now. What be the dancers are there near Cassie Ben here?
Oh yes.
Even though some few weeks ago no mo ba mo say na yentumi nye ye ko kati sword no and yakoti adam man krante oruka do so che yi kura wa
ended
Chibani mi next week Monday your birthday na nyabotre
abo mo fe no Oriata anymore Oriata obotu because still need you around
Oriata is here no man at your side don't worry so we mention the same vein o koto se ye mark a land bi see the be one village one dam na as at the time na okotwe mo ho no yentu sa dam na it does not necessarily mean say sa dam no yentu eti by next year na say by next month or by end of year obeba next year obeksa ko obi na to dam na e dey be na oba beka
member beka dey way to dam
exactly so it fits into our plan
but time is of essence
4-year mandate and a president like yes in a hurry doesn't mean say Kokosi factory I will need resources and be feed that factory I said omokoye wo commander
sugar factory
is that the case
so being in a hurry does not mean say we be put to a horse no a cart no before the horse no wa hihye ni bibia eno gusu eno wo disu kakra okay can I say a free nursing allowance ya the money teacher allowance ya the ma o no a friend say 3 months near my is better say the names are banned in the car and that's all for say whatever the case no say impose abandon the car say you know cross okay yeah it will be paid then you be see because no so ko they are checking how far against you know better than say mo ma teacher 4 year adwuma wo kuremu 4 good years so say 3 good years
mutua 3 months
mutua 3 months mo se dia kan muntua Musimuntia. Obi adwuma 3 years. We dey just allowance ye dey ma no. Wa ye adwuma nti no, e due him and right. So you tua nika for adwuma wa ye. 3 years mutua just 3 months. That is how dishonest you guys could be.
Okay. So,
it is an anaka say by the end of the 4-year mandate no. Munya hwe nka. Bibia sati edi adanse. Because from where he sits, the programs are on our drawn. Whose implementation no according to the plan.
All right.
And I must start edi ho adanse kakra.
Okay, so
nana ko bi no so no nya nana na ko kan yo. Yeso ko hia crowd na bibi start fi na no. Ana nana de nko na chief vanity ya.
There be DK mo.
Me ba say nana de nko na otia na. Wontie da ahemfo na nkasa ka.
Ahemfo no so ka say ne modimbo e ni so. Ba nya won chese ahemfo de ba bia da amampanyimfo beko no.
Dabi difference room.
De do na no eba dia baso
difference room. Esu no ba bia. Esu baby abako ni yedi nka akoma na no Land Cruiser. So we dem chen yedi nka akoma na Land Cruiser se ye bebo dwa oni yedi nka abro Land Cruiser. Search na no oba ne se yes. Obeto nyuma wa a different from where
without influence.
Genuine.
I see.
Genuine.
I see. A politician. All the one you do. So one on you do. Nana no want to.
Okay, so the issue is 2020. What is happening within the NDC and within Ghana? Who has declared his intent to lead a political party? Ibedi Sanko. Nemo mamenka to so. Nyame adma Edwada da se ne ekunafo enum wa be lucky first 5. Obe fresh number we Edwada share mini chief binding. Nyame adoma no aba yan so be wan say your achede so nkomo a special day for chief binding. And I would like to say what decided say what be share ekunafo edu animunyam enum wo adoma
multimedia and there are other stations
ana enum so ewo bedwem hanos yedara say for such a kind initiative nti ekunafo enum friend number we na identify ho na fe ye be ma code bi na wabadwada no abaji ududin ni ama code account 0241 233096 0241 233096 ofra na ese we kunafo na afi ye de code bi ama wo ni ajodin nti dwada na me che ya e be sa hia ya wa chede sonko e wa anam e de ma yi anam adom fm fon so tusa anamona ye kotwa ho ba ye ba is about 2020 intents and declaration and purposes ye kwaba. Okay, Yasaba, Edamu Yamase, Wahanum say, Honorable I, Wahanum say, Samson Chief Binding, so Wahanum say, Deputy National Organizer, hopeful for the NDC, and also Wahanum say. But Honorable I, Chief Binding, because this one's from Boston, says, I'm watching you in America. Tell the former MP that the talking is too much. We want to see all the promises fulfilled. Kwame Samson Tona. I don't know. Okay, so Kwame so did the a lot of the text messages and so about, but yen question Chief. Yeah. So what is it now? The NDC, John Mahama's intent, is it clear that now original?
Yeah, I mean, maybe my program is shared with the session here to cry. The which are Ugrofa watching Nana. When I know Kufu and that was in country the watch.
Good.
Hey, oh my. I mean, just some there and I pay the massive me about to hold and discuss, but I followed from Saturday.
Okay.
On my paying that John Dramani Mahama or the Tugwa or the Facebook I say be me there. In fact, dodo na na onyine di hu nkomo na onyaja obaye de unte obatina supem na waja tumsu na yakopon ya adoma 2020 obaba ka de Cape Coast yako unity work central region de in Cape Coast o ma ben John Dramani Mahama o ka de on pede party no obejija the minti orhwe ma ya reorganization ni nyina na we hu the party no gina na do na party ni jira na do na se ye nyina ye adwene ye tunya na mo na se obako so onko obanka by that time na ye wo adam panyufo o party ni ma won so wo interest won de wo da tugwa dada ye nyankopon ya adoma obede wo bako se ya o man panyin o da tugwa da obako yi o ye nyije sam se ntinyi de enwon kruso a wo pede wo baka ho bi no bi abahu de indeed because na won nyina mpanyinfo bi nkura wonyo kase obi kura so se John Dramani Mahama boko obesa hwe mesi mo obaye ne nzama na se wankoso a oboko nnesi o da tugwa emi mum di no kwasemi mesi mana ensama no orokoko na ma opposition fupo warrior no government won government warrior no o ma na ade no ye na kakra na nde ya o mapanyin da o da tugwa da oboko yi ma ate de ne de no fa onya asam kakra ba from 5 o'clock I will see Anope meeting I will see Jubilee House 1 week still there on my pain that John Dramani Mahama want to know to the Orba Boko the minti other was the one more there with the CCA mo here onye there NDC amanyoku ya ba ye hen constituency elections ewie ya ye hen regional elections ya ko national na efi ewie na o man pain for wo ha wo pede wo gina no so wo tu frank yedi boko na yakwa akayi nyimpa obotu nwan de wedi nkunyim na oda aman sebi o ma pe John Dramani Mahama declare an intention do boko nde ya onu nche de NDC as a political party no weje BBI na my former John Dramani Mahama president waka no na ye hwedo dabi as a political party ayeji kabi mam nkabi ndino say opanyin so de ne na tugwa ma ye hu de names are urban opemu na so wa ye de wa baba ka ho bi opemu boko na wokoto abana se onu odi nkunyima na NDC as a political party yenyina ye di nechi na yenyina ko obiara anu so bedi nkunyima as a political party na yenyina ye di nechi na mama sranye de papa odina sama tugoi obiara anu so awaye na adwin de obotu dan frank e wadwuma na odanumu no oyede oyete na onye sebi ensam keka mi maka fayi no ho another yi baka fayi no ho yenje adamade yen fama honorable aye no na ihe internally ni say ya John Dramani Mahama wabe obi so aye na adwin na oboko na se opanyin na asam na wakan wa wuso ne nema modo ye ndo ogina ye na toto nzama ye na emeso enye party man kasa na wadi utum na ono oboto ama oboto ama.
But is the party ready for John Mahama?
In fact say eco programs na John Dramani Mahama oba ma party fu ya woyen me pere oboto aban ansa na emi mezema no be.
Is Ghana ready for John Mahama?
Na Ghana they were with John Mahama and Kintatos ose odindamaraba enti wo baba ye nzema bi nsida menyo kaze 1 year atwam no show second year na ewo mi quarter show enti ye gudu ye hwe 2020 na o man panyi baka da ye nya message onu ne message ni ebisa ho questions enti so man panyi had it right and baka the 2020 no questions but to say that no message no fit dey be ahenso ye ba ye dem woye mamoti ba no ahen no kwa ne ye denam enti mana ye na was on tedam obotu ho aye sonkon onu na sanyankopon ye John Dramani Mahama adom na se woto aba na onu obeye Frank Etufa NDC nyina ye beta nechi na se ehwe mezi MPP fu na gasa wo hye ma wo suna 2020 disanyankopon wanye miracle bi wona na do Danko Akufo-Addo ne life ma original 110 president yebenya history bi na yaka. I'm being honest with you because look say ikofom pa na say teya eda na ye ko ai wo frede why imri wan enyuma da what be share John Dramani Mahama lantern waso enen ewiabi no what if hwehwe na me frɛ ba me bi na bi sande menyim do ye hona amamre why waso ndi abi yimpa no wafe no na eye nanado na MPP wadada ho the minti papa na aba na wate da waban won akasa wo pere wo de kane abobo wo de hwehwe na won akasa wo hu de papa onyi era no mama abrewe bi so akasa wa draw letter asa John Dramani Mahama on samra osande MPP fo wadada ho enti they are Ghanaians won yan disifo o ma hi wala akasa tiwe amanyo sem na di wanu tumo onye na ene na asa ho kire wo na ndede wo mi oye bisi basa enti wo bi so de warankasa as a journalist na aso hwe wa brabom na hwe wa sitrim na photo aba nkande be politics osan na moti bia ntum matimi osan na nyaman wa sicho mezi mana first aho kire won nda aho kire ne too much enti so obi wo ho a wo de wo ma no kwan na wo so ne hwe a nkonye oga na mom oye John Dramani Mahama oye n'edwuma na obi bototo n'ase obi ba kansem dewa ina motu mayede ina motwe ayi da no krade wo ma yeta ase da bosan podi omu na aban otudu na obbo bosan dodo ina menyu kasi speed aban odre bobosan otude ma police yin atuetu ehun de se atuetu a yin control se mia trigger na mofi etu ni muriba ni da winyi control wodo no but with speed that is the way aban otudu or bobosan until there are a lot of things MPP oye nanado Danko Akufo-Addo odi hwenyim okan odefa John Dramani Mahama na aba ho wo insempi wo ho a okan ma yehunde o da bi papa not won onye dwuma papa bi adam until they have the men hwe the men ya work for 110 in chetre ye kan wasem asema ona abo be na ye no ka kire de oyenjai na womra no womba ye dwuma na it is not about the number na so wo nyimpa dodo a obutu nwa ye dwuma na say ma ate de aye gwegu ba ko a hint de wo be reshuffle menyim sata de onche ahwa wo bot aye mpanyfu bi wo ha wo ba yi ho efie gwado now we have the men what the 110 aboto ye ka ho asem so chinchina wo nyimpa wo de be ye dwuma say abade na wansa o man panyin na kasa men ya na wo tro krata wo de man mo kaka the NCS the minti by 2017 51 factory by start o man hin one start men ya na wo kaka che de nsuto notwa one village one dam and we start the wotu wontu men ya na wo kaka che de 1 million boko constituency on cray menyo kase say ya menyo kase ya yete ha ayedi hu nkomwe ko na kohwe gom market women ahochira enna na say we program bi we ko si say ebro nwa woto ebro poultry farm of workam enna ahochira ba ma sabi eto na was NDC fu ye hen to dodo enna loto nwa woto loto po wato to sonku wato abato do ma ho so wato one petition wato ko era no wa na guta nwa wakra ndama na adi wo boshiro wonye nyije aboso kanfo wo tu pada gu won ho de o mabeyin na ado aba na obate ho asem no wa ye ndama ma ho iwa petition ahoro okodo okrum oba won free do wo bosun then ndama yet en taxi driver for wo ye dwuma ma filling station sentin de usika e be kaka ye sensi nyina e be wi na di nyina ato petrol galam safe what's it ontoma afini nkwa wi na se won hu hwia wonya aban bokwa antoa ata sentinyi de asema a woka kire ho onyi de wo ba no abehye kina o ma yin kina de onyi de obi ya de na erba na be de erba be ye ni ye ina kina na wo de shen that I'm safe for wo bo san wo bank ina nde kohwe wo kire nyimpa wu a wo nwa wakoto machines a we feel interest dado nyina na onyin wonye sika won fantua asem ni de asem ni de ye pede ye boye nsu no ho ban na ye boye nsu no ban na wona wo krata ya abanala wa sign krata na ma honde dam krata wo di edwuma be dam microphone sebe ye sign krata ma ho ne ye twe ho san ono na John Dramani Mahama ko tufu wo Kumasi de wa ye bida Sabita Frache na se Nana Akufo-Addo onye former president ama na obe former president John Dramani Mahama former president atma meka na se se am you can say ne title yin de se Nana do oka his excellency the president John Dramani Mahama was also former chere we di na yim kan na okache odo o medi wonyim kan adwuma ya ye nhihye ya damade ye ya ye bida soja furu ko apro ma se why how microphone je school microphone wa warigu microphone enti no menye ndam na mo yemfa kwan bi do aye ba ye nhihye na ye di gu hon se court bi na usuba ba tim do ma ya na obi ya ye de na kwa oh ai Lance Hwan minister Jean-Pierre Oba Efridu obi se na also John Dramani Mahama na oye command enyim command na odadafo obi obaba ba ka cho do mahin hwe mamo 1 cedi na okachoro obomo 1 cedi ye wi a ye po ya agba na no amo handshake o se handshake no ona anyi 1 cedi enyim do ma payin na do nankuti no wo ID card ni bia o ye national friend identification Ghana card o ma payin kutin o ma payin wa ma promise more than 3 vice president did more than 7 obeye ye twande ya yedamo enne ye china ya ye twa yedamo menyuka say apart from president na beje chipo wa mani bi o man peyin na nkotin no kita ne de enda menyu nem na o man yin se bedu manfo wonanyim na asem bia beka bia no wo baji wan rekesi we this open asam na battle tire yenya communicators na won penyinfu won ba wo batintim na mo man penyin kan no mpa nkyere dem na man penyin opa kyere de ya iba gidi na wo manfo no wo benya wo okay. As we speak Ghana fu nyina obi ehu de indeed ya turn yen color TV is that color black and white it is a John Dramani Mahama nyankopon ye na dom na NDC Congress ni yeko na wo tintim do ma oba na onu na ye yi ndo nkotu franka ya ahwa ye nye rally bia nemo village to village ye boko na ya ma village fu na ehu de ansam na wo bakan won kasa won check won
village to village
na won hwe de indeed house to house ya ye wi say ye village to village
so village
na ye bisa village bia ya ye town hall meeting ni e bisa on there asama na do kan check yourself na hwe de
my breaking news is that declaration intent, meetings are also just to make sure that Papa no say about him why who kakra no. And what something saying? Are you in any way? Are you surprised? And anyway, Alex Ibuamsi Ochiamo. Okay. Come on,
na kwan yi no rose ni bebre wase ha
wonya bi wo buru diri wakabo wonya bi wo buru
omra ibi wase ha nya Charles Bogie wi afro rose ni bebre wa ha mo na se de be ya wi kwan ni na wi a chibane ne be kwa cut so na we say me ko so eti echa o NDC for say omo de John Mahama
John Mahama say what you Ekodana and your mother said, dear, into no only your mother.
Not the weekend.
You don't care?
John Mahama.
Wow.
What's the president Nanado nickname Biara cannot say?
Oga
Titus. Ghana for prefer Oga Titus to a corn man.
Or Nigeria for no other two. Also,
prefer that Oga Titus to a corn man.
Really?
Say, oh yes, this is John Mahama. Ghana how name is John Mahama a corn man. Obiani. In any case, Obia prefer say simple. Ubenya black and white TV a yeduma. Unya noa better than color TV and yeduma. Who color TV and yeduma? Who color TV is with them? Oh yes, color TV is with them.
Color TV was so my issue.
Oh please.
Yes,
oh Chibani.
Projector.
Color TV
now Chibani.
Okay, but
Color TV no enye dwuma. E na yakoton e de anya black and white enye dwuma. Obi I prefer eno. Now, you see, I thought say John Mahama would have changed from the experience when Nyanya did. But in any case, we don't care. I'm going to find him. But here we are with a personal or say the major problem is decision making. This is a man who cannot make decision on his own. From Onwani book or Troyan. From the incredible what now sa basket and so on ya free. Na baby a basket never be added na he could not control his own bicycle. And no different incredible say the near be president. Ghana for thought to say a beer anchor with experiences when rising through member of parliament, assemblyman, deputy minister, vice president, yes, the president account. Still John Mahama could not make decisions. And Roberto to papa so sa na Ghana for say hwe o man we say you nim before ha mo nti ya ma chance see the nim na say na Roberto to papa so dia to hell with you.
But this is a president or there a lot of infrastructure development.
Oh massa
eba
me ba you be cause ho na pese ye kwa ye be ko
oh my
say ho na pese ye kwa na pese ye kwa ye be ko
money making the point here.
I'm talking about a president after all these experiences no nya wie ye no kra no hwe wasa akotena touch liner o sin krofo e na abeka kire no say on sign mra enti no betie no wasa aba. Still, he can't make a decision on his own. He's going to listen to a man for Doma can say, Omrantin Obeba. This is a man who has no clue. He has no vision on his own. He has no agenda for himself. The following day say, Mahama, and you want us to commit this country into such a character? Such a character? Who will just come and create loot and share brigade? According to Supreme Court judges.
They say Mahama.
You come and create a brigade, a looting brigade, public person.
Supreme Court said Mahama.
And a man for Obie dini nyafu.
But Ebasakra, what has changed?
And this is the man or person assign Eddie mentioning sir.
Okay, but
who cares?
Okay.
I'm for Ghana for na to aba to the tree baby no. We have me Mahama Bab nam katwa me pia campaign. And we don't even care who they bring. Look, our strength ye nyabre. Mo na mo dada mo na mo
what's the strength of the NPP?
Me say we are ye benin la. I say anoma okukusi edua so a osiso oda checking say eduane branch no say emu odiana say munya din. It's because what or trust in his own wings. So we don't care about who these people bring. Ghana for Nimomo from their PNDC days to John Mahama days. We will rely on our own strength and not who they present. We've seen it all before. Look at the loot in Ekoso. Ekoso under them. Gross about 5 billion Kiyuchadeka, Nancy interoperability 4 billion. Nanke Kokwa. Yes, some from Mahamamra, now me cancel free SHS na man for Yanana. Or to yourself, Mammy be said, or the Kanye head. Look, ye be normal square. On the average, admission fee is those fees no one track round can be able to about 1,000. That 1,000 because not to talk of school fees are utia in the subsequent terms so. Because of the now the free SHS back again, says can account. It's Mammy or complain say, no children and no. Mahama no home. kasa ahochiri no obesan in the midst of that ahochiri no osen kosa akopɛ 1,000 plus no de akwakutua ne ba fees Mahama na wo ho a enkaneba na teacher trainee allowance odi hwe ne how far kakra no Mahama saba that is yen san famna na nkwa de santua allowances na
amemu amubu no is it reflective in the welfare of the ordinary Ghanaian for us to say president bi by obekriti obeluti na ono de ohye or the Ghana be called dichimu
yes
in the midst of all these things e dia ma aban bi a wotwam kon aban a wo so obenya kukudu akase ba bi odi Ghana for kon
ebi na masati echechero no se wo ye parent na for example na utia tax Mahama abreso utia tax Danado abreso banana na Mahama abreso no o tax no yagigi awie no oba ekosku a gise wa no asa akwakọ pesika fufro e de ayede akotua oba ne fees and Danado no o se o tax ni yagigi ni nti no oba ne fees no ye ne ebefa that is money in your pocket oba na ko nursing training eyi na ose ka ose pesika e de demand ansa na wako school no sa extra ska ka be kwa put titi obo wirim ansa na onya de amano no president say ya restore allowance no enti no ska no stays with you oba na ko teacher trainee eyi so a ye withdraw ye no ene ska no stays with you as a parent and you think that Ghanaians are not watching these things when they see their tax working for them compared to the Subas and their friends, the Gidas and what have you. Ah, we job taxa, no more din free, you know. Okay. And you think that Ghanaians are not observing enough.
So you are not bothered about the Oba?
We don't care who they bring.
Because your wings are able to carry you.
Exactly. We are planting for food and jobs are air cost. Health insurance and a collapse under them. Nana Dubai, what is it? Private service providers need be ISO more cost strike because I buy them carry into Yana. And that is how they were collapsing national health insurance.
You are not carrying.
So
hold on. Asmo can tell your kind.
You are not carrying.
Hold on. Tell Asmo kind. Or say national health insurance. What is a ego? What is a private entities no we involved in the insurance scheme no? Or raising issues about strike and hold on,
almost threatening to withdraw.
There's a clear difference between Yintia Kayako strike and the Koko say Ibiakem fire their brain, two things. And Ibiakem no private hospitals no raising red flag, but it's not got into. But it's clear also that the government comes in and he has paid almost half.
More than half. We paid about 1 billion of the 1.3 or so account we added to them.
And the Kasa continues.
No. If they have been current. If they have been current, I had to say, be you see a dime. Now, me many level grounds, ABCD, me 2 foundation, and I also the AB at him, and I said, value be moved to a question. This is why they, what they can't feel it, and some was yes.
Okay, Chief Baini, Unim. So, what is happening now is that they don't even want to know because
we don't care. We don't care. Say Mahama and Beba, Sama and Beba. In any case, I thought this is so-called unity works. Yeah. Oh yeah. I thought this is Mahama. 2016 no say if it is Nanado now or divide the party no more the united lose elections na fit
production team
na
we thermometer and coming honorable be no obede obi hu there honorable why hot
my hot say Mahama eba
hwe ma me kasem
and as it dey na my hot
na ada mama te mama ke ada akafa problem abre na adra no pay also there command create loot and share 50 tama Ghana obadu 50 nkruma ebezi nei abambi amaya wetum wako wakaje busa atoni general onyim hu bi atoni general nankasa ababaka clear the hey busa idi menyim hu bi o menyim hu bi atoni general no otu abanfo enti se Nanado Dankwa Akufo-Addo no kwasam so in there please oh mama nkasa it is no me can't say me o ma hit him there osun na ye dey no osun na ye busan na omban awara already is here busan binja wo ba mbobusan mama nkamasem na nado danko akufado onye president
besia ye boy
otu onye finance minister osan ye ni what na dem wo bopaw de yenkafa dem scheme ra Ghana attorney general na ono no ye se bi mranyim ya otu na nado na finance minister for there
that is the most important thing
ekwa wo for the master mi baba na the master mi baba
just I don't know now this match or that match
if you raise that argument you've lost it because
no
now man who there he lost it yesterday mamun kama
say about Suba
great loot and share at $90 million no obubona
Supreme Court judge
at $90 million no obubona Suba yala won was there oye
$90 million favor
everywhere won the wo bana wo bohwehwem Iwon wo say no Suba iwon kasa wasa kese dey
and now we are stopping
we break kiosk fufu yes won so we create I friend one man
yeah the watchman papa and abaso make the public Suba scan na we are free no
Suba na only we are
this new contract
na our be you have the men more than you dey stopping package na mra e ma Ghana fu nyina ehu dey Suba na kan Suba why you
now better watchman
Suba times 2
no
Suba nara
the cost of Suba you know it's reduced by 55%. Scan na mutia ma Suba the new contract no we paying less than 55%.
Honorable boss na kama bobo oh that kasa ni kasa intima mkasa yi
David scan na mutia ma Suba ne Africa now the new contract what we are paying is less by 55%. This is what we mean by protecting the public purse.
Nanado, President Awabagani.
They protected the public purse.
He is the first president. Assemblies will ministry. Parliament be we no wa clear on the o. I mean just some our we did don't case it.
It shows that is leadership. That is leadership because Assembly involving the ministers. He called them. And on why investigation. It is Parliament as another wing of arm of state.
Leadership.
Yes. Then you don't seem to get the difference between the state.
I think it's entirely not right.
Sir,
a committee that is supposed to investigate a
committee
matter.
No, you're president Parliament now. Exactly. But the president goes ahead of time. No, President, you are getting it wrong yourself. Sorry.
The president goes ahead of time
Parliament
to declare that what he knows and what he has seen.
Parliament together. The fact is executive no I their own.
He's just not an ordinary figure.
Stop.
But he's just not an ordinary figure. This is a president that with what he has seen, what he has read.
Because the Parliament investigation it stops the executive from doing their own investigation. That's the way
honorable
because the Parliament was investigating an issue, it stops the executive from investigating that issue.
No, clear lines. You see the kind. Some Russian medium person omo yenhwehwemu a ensi mampain na pound so kwan.
Two separate institutions. Two separate.
Do you know the committee now of inquiry now Parliament was set? It is like a high court.
And so what?
Do you know?
And so what?
High court do
you know? She said the executive any Parliament no. You get it. You don't seem to know the role between the executives and the Parliament, the legislature. You don't seem to get it. You don't seem to get it.
A certificate. Now,
you don't seem to get it. No.
It is wrong.
No.
Honorable,
we are two different issues
altogether.
Come on,
it does not mean that the executive must stop doing their own work too. That is where your Mahama couldn't show leadership. And some say the rot and the loot in the Kosu. He could not investigate any of them. He was waiting for Parliament to Debbie, you don't seem to get it. And there are no circumstances an issue there. Legislature it stops the executive from when you have the courage to investigate.
Na your friend minister wa baba ka the energy oh there be the masemi di minister onyaja me set committee na we set committee na BNI na come members no onu kuti to the statement by clear there be every kuti
there was an investigation from BNI moment the BNI control investigation
it is a BNI investigation independent catch order
okay
command special command
and no any John Mahama
command
no any John Mahama
glass mu dey ko Holland you put glass mu na
looting
na do den ko akufa looting
so just a minute
command no any the looting brigade led by John Mahama we don't care who anyway.
Mayede.
And you see ya wa start be dance here say.
Wa ko be no wa kekede by 2020. Na first half
na wa start di wa dance.
Ibobo.
Wa start di wa dance.
Na second half open. Na se ball here 1-0. It's the first half goal no danger. Na next time
John Alexander Kon, former Ashanti Regional Minister, will say, Honorable IS posture and speech clearly confirms the fear in MPP circles by Mahama's declaration.
These are Mahama appointees. What is Mahama appointees? What is the other one? What do you expect from Akon? He was a Mahama appointee. He was a DC Mahama Bayani minister. What do you expect from such a person? I mean, they are the people who they are the bootlickers of Mahama. We don't care. We don't care. It is such people who continue praising John Mahama, and we don't care. Say, yeah, now since MPP organize the No. We don't care.
We need the assembly
Mahama.
Missing village to village.
All right, so Madam Watson. Okay, so have a nice day.
Muhammad on